We were hiking in the forest late one night when our eyes beheld an eerie sight. Our president appeared and began to frown. Then he and his friends cut the forest down. They did the forest slash. It was brutally brash. Public opinion was mashed. And they did it for the cash. The lobbyists were having fun. The horror party had just begun. The guests included big timber, big oil, mining magnates and their sons. These visions haunt me and fill me with disgust. If we don't stop them, our environment will be lost. So come on now and join me, I'm glad to show you how. Tell our president to save our forests now.